Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a time in every person's life when the road ahead appears long, treacherous, and filled with more doubt than promise. You may have faced failure. You may have been laughed at, dismissed, overlooked, or underestimated. You may have stood on the edge of giving in, convinced that your dream was simply too far beyond your reach. But I say to you today, never give up, for success is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of determination, of persistence, and of an unwavering belief in yourself. Success is your fate, not because the world owes you anything, but because you were born with the power to claim it. Every great achievement began as a single thought. Every empire, every invention, every masterpiece first lived in the mind of someone who dared to believe in the invisible, dared to think in memory. And behold, in timely peace is earned. Believe it. The moment you commit to that vision, the universe begins to align. But you must hold on, even when nothing seems to be working, especially when nothing seems to be working. Temporary defeat is not failure. It is merely a stepping stone, a test of your resolve. Most people surrender at the first sign of resistance. But those who win in life, those who rise above the noise, are the ones who persist long after others have quit. They understand that the night is always darkest just before the dawn, and they keep moving forward. Success begins with a clear, unwavering belief in your vision. Before any dream can be realized in the physical world, it must first be born in the mind. Every great accomplishment throughout history started as a single thought, held with such intensity and clarity that it demanded to become reality. This belief, the deep internal knowing that your vision is not only possible but inevitable, is the foundation of all success. Without belief, action becomes mechanical, hesitant, and often directionless. But when your belief is firm, every step you take gains power. You begin to move with purpose, speak with conviction, and act with resilience. It is belief that turns obstacles into stepping stones and resistance into fuel. It is belief that keeps you going when the world says no, when failure knocks, when others doubt you or you doubt yourself. This belief must be so deeply rooted that no setback, no criticism, and no delay can shake it. Clarity is essential. You must see your vision in your mind so vividly that it feels real. The clearer your mental picture, the stronger your desire becomes. The stronger your desire, the more willing you are to fight for it, to work for it, to sacrifice for it. Many people fail not because they lack talent or opportunity, but because they are unclear about what they truly want, or they don't believe they deserve it. They allow doubt to creep in and cloud their vision. And as doubt grows, belief weakens, and with it the energy behind their actions. True belief is not passive. It is not merely hoping or wishing that something will happen. True belief is active. It inspires you to take bold steps, to speak your dream into existence, and to show up every day regardless of the conditions. It creates a mindset of inevitability where you are no longer asking if your vision will happen, but simply when. This unwavering belief also serves as a powerful magnet. When you fully believe in your dream, you begin to attract the right people, opportunities, and resources. Others feel your certainty and are drawn to your energy. People want to follow someone who knows where they're going, but that certainty must first begin within you. You cannot lead others to believe in your vision until you do. You must guard your belief fiercely. The world will try to chip away at it. You'll face failure, slow progress, and moments of discouragement. In those times, your belief must become your anchor. You must return to your vision, remind yourself of its purpose, and renew your commitment. This is not a one-time decision. It is a daily choice to stand firm in the face of doubt. Success begins not in the doing, but in the knowing, in the decision to believe without compromise, in the power and possibility of your own dream. Temporary defeat is not failure. It's a test of persistence. Every person who has ever achieved something worthwhile has experienced moments when everything seemed to be falling apart. Plans didn't work. Results didn't come, support faded, and yet, despite the setbacks, they kept moving forward. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is not luck or genius, it is the willingness to continue after defeat. Defeat is part of the process. It is life's way of asking, how badly do you want this? Most people interpret defeat as a stop sign. They give up, turn back, or lower their standard. But those with vision and persistence understand that defeat is not a signal to quit. It is a signal to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. It is a temporary condition, not a final outcome. There is no straight line to success. Every journey worth taking is filled with moments that test your character, your resolve, and your belief in your purpose. Temporary defeat reveals who you really are. It strips away the illusion of comfort and forces you to confront your weaknesses, your excuses, and your fears. And in doing so, it gives you a priceless gift, the chance to grow into the person who is capable of achieving your dreams. You must change your perspective on defeat. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this trying to teach me? Within every failure is a seed of equal or greater success. But that seed only grows if you keep going. Defeat teaches you how to improve. It humbles you. It refines your strategy. It helps you discover inner strength you didn't know you had. These are not losses. They are investments in your future success. Many people quit when they are inches from the breakthrough. They walk away just before the tide turns, just before the reward is about to appear. The irony is that the most intense resistance often shows up right before the greatest progress. Life seems to test us hardest just before the moment we prove we're ready for more. If you can endure those moments, if you can continue to push forward when there's no visible reward, you separate yourself from the majority. Persistence in the face of temporary defeat creates momentum. It sends a message to your subconscious mind that you are serious, that you are not backing down. This inner decision fuels creativity, inspires new ideas, and draws strength from places you didn't know existed. Your consistent refusal to give up creates a mental toughness that cannot be shaken. Never confuse defeat with failure. Failure is final only when you accept it as such. But as long as you rise after every fall, adjust after every mistake, and recommit after every setback, you are still in the game and still capable of winning. Temporary defeat is simply the universe's way of sculpting your will. Endure it, learn from it, let it sharpen your purpose and deepen your hunger, because on the other side of it lies everything you are fighting for. Challenges are opportunities in disguise. At first glance, they may appear as problems, barriers meant to block your progress or frustrate your plans. But the truth is, every challenge you face holds within it the potential for growth, transformation, and breakthrough. Life does not place obstacles in your path to defeat you, but to reveal the strength and resourcefulness already inside you. What seems like resistance is often the pressure needed to forge you into the person who can carry your dream. Most people try to avoid challenges. They seek the path of least resistance, hoping that things will be easy and smooth. But ease rarely leads to greatness. The individuals who rise to the top are not those who avoided hardship, but those who learned how to face it with courage and determination. They looked at their difficulties not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones. Every time they encountered a challenge, they asked, what can I learn here? How can this make me better, stronger, smarter? There is hidden power in struggle. When you are forced out of your comfort zone, you begin to tap into potential that would otherwise remain dormant. Challenges push you to think differently, to try new approaches, to dig deeper. They stretch your capacity and expand your confidence. Once you've overcome something that once felt impossible, your mind opens to the realization that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. Opportunity doesn't always arrive wrapped in success and ease. Often, it comes disguised as a problem that no one else wants to solve, a situation others have given up on, or a moment that feels overwhelming. Those who recognize the opportunity hidden within the challenge are the ones who seize the advantage. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They create opportunity through action and perspective. A challenge is also a mirror. It reflects your current level of belief, skill, and perseverance. It shows you where you are strong and where you must improve. And once you recognize that, you gain control. You no longer feel like a victim of circumstances. You become the author of your response. And in that response lies the seed of your advancement. Some of the greatest inventions, businesses, and breakthroughs in history were born out of hardship. People were forced to innovate because they faced problems no one else could solve. That same potential lies in your own challenges today. When you decide to see them differently, to view them as gifts rather than burdens, you unlock a new kind of power. You become resilient, you become adaptive, and most importantly, you become fearless. There will always be challenges on the path to success, but instead of wishing they weren't there, embrace them, study them, use them, because within every challenge is a lesson, a strength, or a new door waiting to be opened. What others see as difficulty, you must learn to see as destiny in the making. When you welcome challenges with the right mindset, you no longer fear them, you harness them. Faith, backed by action, creates unstoppable momentum. Faith alone, believing in your dream, hoping for success, visualizing your goals, is powerful but incomplete. Action alone, working hard, grinding through tasks, moving day by day, is essential, but without direction, it can become scattered or mechanical. But when faith and action are fused together, they create a force that cannot be denied. That combination is the spark that ignites momentum, the kind that moves mountains and transforms lives. Faith is the inner knowing that your dream is real before anyone else sees it. It's the belief that what you want already exists in potential form and is waiting for you to claim it. But this belief cannot stay locked inside your mind. It must be expressed, validated, and tested in the physical world. That's where action comes in. Every time you take a step toward your vision, no matter how small, you give life to your belief. You prove to yourself and to the world that you mean it. Momentum begins with the first decision to act in alignment with your faith. That first action, writing down your goal, starting the project, making the call, committing to the routine, may seem small, but it is symbolic. It tells your subconscious mind, I believe. And when your actions repeatedly match your belief, you begin to experience progress. You start seeing results, and those results build confidence. That confidence fuels even more belief, which then inspires greater action. This cycle is momentum, and once it begins to roll, it becomes a powerful engine driving you forward. Too often, people wait for everything to be perfect before taking action. They want certainty, guarantees, or proof that their effort will work. But waiting for proof is not faith. It is hesitation. Faith requires that you move, even when the path is unclear, even when you have doubts, even when the outcome isn't guaranteed. It's that willingness to act without full visibility that separates the dreamers from the doers. And here's the truth. The more you act in alignment with your faith, the more the universe responds. Opportunities show up, people take notice, the right resources seem to arrive at the right time. It's not magic, it's the natural consequence of a mind and body working in harmony, driven by conviction and fueled by consistent effort. When your actions reflect your deepest belief, you become unstoppable. Setbacks don't shake you, they refine you. Doubt doesn't paralyze you, it challenges you to dig deeper. You begin to trust the process, knowing that each step forward is a step toward your destiny, even if you can't yet see the full path. Faith alone can inspire you. Action alone can move you. But faith backed by action creates momentum so powerful that obstacles lose their strength. The key is to start right where you are with what you have and to keep going step by step in full belief that what you seek is already yours. With that kind of energy, success becomes not just possible, it becomes inevitable. Persistence outlasts talent and luck. In a world that often idolizes natural ability and overnight success, it is easy to overlook the quiet power of consistency, the kind that refuses to quit when others do, that endures long after excitement fades, that stays the course regardless of recognition or reward. While talent can give you a head start and luck can offer a momentary lift, it is persistence that determines who finishes the race. The truth is, talent alone is never enough. Many people possess incredible gifts, sharp intelligence, or exceptional skills, yet never rise to the level of their potential. Why? Because they stop. They lose interest when the path gets hard. They seek quick results, and when those results don't come quickly, they withdraw their effort. Talent is valuable, but without the discipline to nurture it, develop it, and apply it through consistent effort, it remains untapped potential. Luck, too, is an illusion many rely on. Some people wait for the perfect moment, the ideal opportunity, or a chance encounter that will change everything. But waiting for luck is passive. It places your destiny in the hands of something you cannot control. While luck may show up for some, it cannot be counted on as a strategy. Persistence, on the other hand, is always within your control. It is the decision to keep going, regardless of the odds, the delays, or the difficulties. The most successful people are not always the smartest or the most gifted. They are the ones who refuse to stop. They keep showing up when others get discouraged. They make adjustments when plans fail. They learn from every setback and use failure as fuel, not as a final verdict. Persistence is about staying power. It's about weathering the storms and refusing to let adversity define the outcome. Persistence builds character. It strengthens resolve. It trains your mind to endure discomfort and to remain focused even when motivation fades. You stop needing external validation because your drive comes from within. With each day that you persist, you are planting seeds. Those seeds may not bloom immediately, but they are taking root beneath the surface, and eventually, with enough time and effort, they break through. Every breakthrough is preceded by a period of quiet persistence, of effort that seems invisible, of progress that feels slow. But success is cumulative. It is built on small daily actions repeated over time. The world may not notice your work at first, but if you keep going, it will have no choice but to pay attention. The ability to persist is more valuable than any temporary burst of brilliance. It is persistence that transforms failure into experience, vision into achievement, and effort into legacy. No matter where you begin or what you face, if you do not give up, you cannot lose. The race does not belong to the fastest or the most fortunate. It belongs to the one who refuses to stop running. Your thoughts shape your reality. Guard them fiercely. Every action you take, every decision you make, and every outcome you experience begins in the mind. The thoughts you allow to dominate your inner world will eventually manifest in your outer world. This is not simply a metaphor. It is a fundamental truth of human experience. The mind is the master architect of your destiny, and if you do not take control of your thoughts, they will take control of you. Most people underestimate the power of their thinking. They allow doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs to take root in their minds without realizing the damage being done. These negative thoughts grow like weeds, choking out the seeds of ambition, clarity, and self-belief. A person who constantly tells themselves they can't, won't, or shouldn't is laying down a blueprint for failure long before they ever take a step. You must understand that every thought you think carries energy. Thoughts of confidence, hope, and determination energize you. They lift your spirit and prepare your body for bold action. Thoughts of fear, anxiety, and failure drain you. They sap your strength, cloud your vision, and paralyze your will. What you think about most becomes what you move toward. If you consistently think about problems, you attract more problems. If you focus on possibilities, solutions begin to reveal themselves. To guard your thoughts is to guard your future. You must become vigilant. Just as a gatekeeper protects a fortress, you must protect your mind from toxic input, whether it comes from other people, the media, or your own inner dialogue. Feed your mind daily with positive, empowering messages. Read, listen, and surround yourself with influences that align with your goals. Speak to yourself as someone you trust, someone who believes in your power even when the world does not. It is not about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It is about choosing to direct your focus. It is about training your mind to see opportunity in the middle of adversity, to find strength in the face of fear, and to believe in solutions even when none are visible. Your mind is a powerful tool, but it must be directed with purpose. Repetition is key. The more you think a thought, the deeper it becomes ingrained in your subconscious. This is why habits of thought are so important. Replace "I can't" with "I will figure it out." Replace "this is too hard" with "this is preparing me for something greater." Over time, these shifts in thinking change your emotional state, your decisions, and your outcomes. Guarding your thoughts is not a one-time act. It is a daily discipline, and it is worth every ounce of effort, because once your thoughts align with your highest vision, your actions follow, your environment begins to shift, and what once seemed impossible begins to move within reach. Your reality will never exceed the limits of your thinking, so raise your thinking and your life will rise with it. Success is not a matter of chance, but of deliberate will. Too often, people look at those who have achieved great things and attribute their success to luck, connections, or being in the right place at the right time. While those factors may play a minor role, they are never the root cause. Real success is intentional. It is created, shaped, and pursued with focused effort and unwavering determination. Those who achieve it do not wait to be chosen, they choose themselves. The truth is, you are not a bystander in your own life. You are the author. Every day you are writing your story with your decisions, your habits, and your mindset. To believe that success might randomly appear one day is to hand over your power. Success is not something that happens to you. It is something you decide to create. It begins the moment you take responsibility for your future and commit to shaping it, no matter the obstacles. Deliberate will means deciding in advance who you want to become and what you are willing to do to achieve it. It means setting your sights on a clear objective and refusing to let distractions, setbacks, or opinions pull you off course. It's not about waiting for the right conditions. It's about making progress in the middle of imperfect ones. People who win in life don't do so because life was easier for them. They win because their will was stronger than their circumstance. This kind of will requires clarity. You must know what you want. Vague desires create vague results, but a clearly defined goal gives your energy direction. When you know exactly where you are going, every step becomes more meaningful. You stop wasting time on things that don't serve your purpose. You start building your life with intention, piece by piece. Deliberate will also requires endurance. There will be moments of doubt, fatigue, and frustration. There will be times when nothing seems to work. But the person who has decided to succeed, truly decided, does not quit when the journey becomes difficult. They adapt, they learn, they grow stronger. Their will does not shrink in adversity. It expands. You must train yourself to act with purpose. Every day is an opportunity to move closer to your goal or drift further away. Small choices, when made with deliberate intention, build massive momentum over time. The world may not see your progress in the beginning, but that doesn't matter. You're not chasing applause. You're chasing the vision you've committed to. And that commitment, that deliberate inner decision, is what transforms an ordinary life into an extraordinary one. There is nothing random about success. Behind every triumph is a person who made a choice and followed it with discipline and persistence. You have that same power within you. When you understand that success is not given, it is earned, claimed, and created through deliberate will, you stop hoping for it and start building it. And once you make that decision, your life will never be the same.